In the year 2222, Mars was destroyed due to extreme warming and drying of water resources. Humans who had lived there for several years could not bear it anymore. To ensure their survival, they were looking for a new planet to migrate to. But the only planet that could replace Mars was Earth. Earth that had been abandoned before due to nuclear wars and pollution. But now, with the passage of time and the renewal of nature, it had become habitable again. Humans decided to move to Earth with a few large spacecraft and start a new beginning there. When the spacecraft approached Earth, humans were happy and excited. What they saw was similar to the green and lush landscapes of the pre-war era. Everywhere on the surface of the Earth, there were trees, flowers, animals, and rivers full of water. The sky was blue and clear, and the sun was bright and warm. This was exactly what they had wanted for a long time. But it was not enough to simply return to Earth and live there. Humans knew that if they kept their memories and experiences of living on Mars, they might go back to war and violence. To prevent this danger, they decided to use an advanced device to erase their memory and only remember that they had always lived on Earth. This was the only way that could prevent them from repeating their bloody history. After a few years, no one remembered anything about Mars. Everyone thought that Earth had always been their home. They started to build and develop. They created large and advanced cities, industries and technologies, art and culture, and science and knowledge. They had become a new civilization, a civilization that did not know how hard it had achieved it. But how long could this good mood last? Were these changes only for the better? Was this erased memory reversible? Was Mars still waiting? These were all questions that no one thought about, until one day, a strange and surprising event happened. An encrypted message from space was sent to Earth. A message that heard the voice of a woman who said,
"Hello, I'm Laura. I'm a space explorer from the Mars Research Center. I'm sending you this message to let you know that I'm still alive. I'm one of the last remaining humans on Mars. I don't know who you are or where you came from, but I'm sure you'll contact me. I need your help. Please answer me."
This message changed everything. The space agents quickly decrypted the message and realized that this voice belonged to a woman who had previously worked at the Mars Research Center. She was one of those who had not erased their memory when migrating to Earth. She had decided to stay on Mars and continue her research. But over time, she had become lonely and helpless. She only sent her messages to space in hopes of finding a sign of others. This message made some humans sympathize with Laura. They thought she was brave and heroic. They decided to answer her and tell her who they were and where they came from. They decided to help her and bring her to Earth. But some other humans were upset and worried. They thought Laura was a big threat. They imagined she could have knowledge and technology that could destroy Earth again, or even be able to restore the erased memory of others and take them back to Mars. They decided to prevent this from happening. They decided to send a rover named Hope to Mars to destroy Laura. Agent's voice, "Hope, are you ready?" Rover's voice, "Yes, I'm ready." Agent's voice, "Well, then go ahead and do your job." Rover's voice, "Roger that."